What's up guys, this is Matt and these are 3 of my favorite iPhone tips. The first tip I have for you guys today is document scanning. In the past, document scanning apps have been very popular on the App Store. They allow you to scan, paper documents, to email them or to save them to like a cloud drive like Dropbox or Google Cloud. Apple recently added a document scanner to the Notes app in iOS. I use it all the time to digitize all my receipts and other documents that I need to keep. Recently, I went through my entire file cabinet and digitized all my paper and shredded the rest. I must say, this is a pretty easy way to get organized and keep all your stuff safe and secure. So what I'm going to show you today is how you can scan your favorite documents to keep them safe and secure in your iCloud drive. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your Notes app and you're going to hit New Note. And then you're gonna hit the plus sign and then you'll see an option for scan documents. So just tap that and it's gonna bring up your camera. Now, if you look in the top right, you'll see where it says auto. That means that once it detects your document in frame, it will go ahead and snap and scan the photo. Also, you can, if you need to get more light, you can add the flash if you need to, and so forth. But what you're gonna do is you're just gonna lift your phone up high enough so that it can see the document. Once it's able to see the document, it will take a picture of it. And the beauty of this app is that you can actually scan multiple pages. So if you have a, multiple page document, all you have to do is scan one page, move over the next page, move over the next page, and it will automatically string them all together into one PDF, which is very handy. So I have my document. I'm going to hit save. It's only one page. And as you see, it is now saved on my notes. So what I can do here is actually tap it and I'm going to hit share. And you'll see at the bottom where you have an option to save to files. So you can do 2 things too. You can actually create a PDF and you can actually email it from here. So if you needed to scan something to email it to someone, you can do that. Or like me, what I do is I actually save it to my drive so that I can have it later on just in case, I lose the document. So go here. I have a folder called documents. I'm going to hit add. Let me hit replace. Okay. So now that it's in your documents, you can go to files and there it is. So here's the document. And also you see right now it's called save document, so you can rename it. So now you have it saved. You see, you just saw the cloud logo. That means it was uploaded to the cloud. But yeah, that's it. So that's my document. That's how you scan it. So it's very handy. You can do it with your receipts. I use it for receipts, especially because, the ink on the receipts like to dry up and fade away after, several years. So this is a great way to, keep those receipts safe, especially if they're for like electronics or things that, you may keep for a long time. Now, my next favorite tip is printing to a PDF. I use this quite often, especially when I get a receipt or when I have a document or a web page that I need to print. I use this a lot when I was in school, especially when I needed to save websites for future reference for papers. So the way you print as a PDF is you pretty much just initiate the print option from any screen. So you can do it from a text message, you can do it from an email, you can do it from Safari, you can do it from just about anywhere. Anywhere in iOS where you have that share button, the square row, you can hit this. And you're gonna hit create PDF. Now this document is an actual PDF. This web page is an actual PDF. And then once you're there, you can hit print. You can hit save to files. And now you have that saved as well. Or you can actually email or text that document. You see it right there. So there's many ways you can use it. I use it mostly to save like digital receipts. Because a lot of times when you purchase something online, you want to save the print page or the invoice. You can actually print that to a PDF and then save that PDF to your cloud drive so that you have that for future reference. Things that I purchase in brick and mortar stores, those are the receipts that I scan into my phone and save on my drive. Now, my next tip revolves around Keychain. If you're not familiar with Keychain, Keychain is Apple's password vault, password manager, if you will, that will save all your passwords for your websites or your apps so that you never have to remember them. The best part about Keychain is that it will actually generate a super secure password so that you don't have to worry about creating one for every single site, because every site has different requirements, and if you have a favorite password that you like to use, odds are you're not going to be able to use it on every site. So Keychain does a lot of things: stores all your passwords, creates secure passwords, and also lets you manage them in one location. The hard part about that is if you have shared accounts that you share with family and friends, you have to share that long password, or you have to tell them that long password, where you copy and paste it in a text message or however you decide to give it to them. The password is not the easiest to share. The best way to handle that is to go into your settings, and then you go to passwords and accounts, and you're going to website and app passwords. And once you're there, you're going to go to the password that you want to share, and you can do two things. If you're next to them, like physical proximity to them, you can actually just hit airdrop. Now, hitting airdrop will allow you to share the password directly to them via airdrop, and it will save right into their keychain. So you don't have to worry about copying the password or sharing it or spelling it out for them or anything. It's right there in their phone, and they can just go to the website or the app that they're trying to log into, and it will automatically pull up the password and log them right in. Simple. Or if you're not near them, you can just hit copy, and then you can paste it into a text message. And like I said, if it's one of those keychain generated passwords, odds are it is very complicated. So it's one of those passwords you just want to copy and paste. Last but not least, fast charging. Now, everybody's iPhone comes with that little tiny power brick with the lightning cable. This is a very slow way of charging. If you have an iPhone XS Max, for example, you could be looking at 2.5 hours to charge your phone from 0 to 100%. So when you purchased your iPhone, it came with a 5-watt charger and a USB to lightning cable. If you go out and purchase a 18-watt adapter and a USB-C to lightning cable, you can charge your phone probably 3 times faster. For example, if you were to charge with the 5-watt charger on an iPhone XS Max, it would take almost 2.5 hours to fully charge your phone. If you were to charge with the 18-watt adapter and you had an XS Max, you could charge 50% in about 30 minutes. So the last 50% of your phone is going to take about another 35 minutes. Excuse me, another 45 minutes, but you can get a full charge in about an hour and 15 minutes. What that means is that if you're ever in a pinch and you need to charge your phone very quickly, you just plug your phone up to that fast charger and you can get 50% in your phone in 30 minutes. Very handy. Well, that's it, guys. I appreciate your time. I hope you've enjoyed these tips. If you found them useful, please drop a comment down below. If you have any questions or if you have any favorite tips that you would like to share with me, please do so as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.